Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install or download live server in Visual Studio Code. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. So first go to our Visual Studio Code. Here is our Visual Studio Code and I did HTML code over here, and I will show you after downloading live server to show you how it works. So first come over this extension over here, click on that and write live server over here like this, and here you will get the rate-a-week day live server. Click on that. So after coming over here, you can see you get an install option. Click on that and it's installing over here. You can see. So here you can see it's installed and you can see it's also enabled. If we go to our project, the call index.html, and after that, so here you can see after downloading live server, you can get this go live option over here and you can click to run your live server into Visual Studio Code. So thank you so much for watching this video. I have to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.